Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will explain about RJKT admission notification 2020. Right. So recently the notification is released. Okay. So this is admissions to 6 years integrated BTech program 2020 prospectus. Okay. So Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies. Okay. And these are the important dates. Okay, so date of notification 12th September and issue of applications online, that is 16th September. Okay, 16th September onwards online applications will be started, right? And last date of receiving online applications are 3rd October. Okay, and last date for receiving printout of the online applications by post for special category PH and CAP, NCC, sports persons, sports students. Okay, for those students. Okay, that is 6th October 2020 is the last date, right? And announcement of selection list provisional date is that is 20th October. Okay. So you should remember only two things: the online application starting date 16th September, online application ending date is 3rd October. Okay, so those who having physically handicapped and Central Armed Police Forces and NCC and sports related reservations having, okay, those people should send online application along with required documents to the RJKT address that mentioned in the latter pages. Okay. So last date for receiving printout of the online application by post for special categories. Okay, so 6th October 2020. And here one thing you can observe here. So note, dates are subjected to be changed without any prior intimation. Okay, so due to this pandemic situations, if the situation demands, there may be alter in dates also. Okay, so and next, how to apply for admission into RJKT. So the process of submitting application comprises of the following steps. The first step is application fee payment and get the application ID. Okay, after completion of your payment you should get an application ID, and after that filling of online application. Okay, and print application form. Just after completion of your online application you should take one printout. Okay, and post the application form along with the certificate mentioned in 2.1. Okay, so in 2.1 so they already provided certain relevant documents, okay, to the particular this admission procedure. Okay, you should add those documents to your online application form. Okay, and you should send to RJKT address. Okay, and note, only PH and CAP NCC sports applicant have to post their applications along with relevant certificates to the specified address in the detailed notification. Okay, and the candidate should make online fee payment through only TS online service only. Okay, TS online service only, right? At the fee particulars. Okay, so here we have for the candidates of OC and BC for TS and AP states, so 200 rupees, and SC ST and 150 rupees, and for the candidates other states and global unfilled seats, for those candidates 1000 rupees. And for the candidates of NRI and international, those people having around $25. Okay, and important note, the candidate of Telangana state who applied for the unfilled seats of global category refer 12.A, and their application will also be considered in the general category of admission. This is important. This is new one. Okay, here we can compare to 2019 notification. If you compare the 2019 notification, so this is one of the change we can observe in this 2020 notification, right? So this is very important. Just you can go through this one. And next one. Okay, so after completion of your online application form, okay, so immediately after submitting the application through online, okay, so the PH and CAP NCC sports applicant should send its printout duly signed along with the copy of the receipt mentioned in 2.1. Okay, the PH and CAP NCC sports applicant should send its printout duly signed along with the copy of receipt mentioned in 2.1. Okay, above and the relevant certificates to the, this is your address. Okay, so just you send your documents along with online application. Okay, you have to send to this particular address. The convener, okay, the convener, Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, Basar, Nirmal District, Telangana State, 504-107. Okay, a speed post or register post, anything we can accept. Okay, the candidate should write on the top of the cover, application for admissions 2020 RJKT Basara. Don't forget, they should write top of the envelope, application for admissions 2020 RJKT Basara. Okay, this is important. Okay, you have to send your online application along with relevant documents. Okay, you can send to this particular address, right? And okay, these are the list of certificates to be enclosed. Okay, okay, once you go through these list of certificates to be enclosed. Okay, and next one, so next, admission procedure. Okay, so earlier also same, and this is so when compared to last year, so this year also admission procedure same. There won't be no change. Okay, and one more thing you can observe, so reservations also same. Okay, admissions to 85% of the local available seats shall be reserved for local candidates that comes under Usmania University area, Telangana state, and the remaining 15% of the seats shall be unreserved. These seats will be filled with both states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh students, based on merit as specified in the Presidential Order 371 Article D in consonance to Section 95 of the AP Reorganization Act 2014. So admissions also same. Admission procedure same, and reservations also same. There won't be change, and purely this admission is based on merit of 10th class, right? And okay, this is eligibility for admission. Candidate should have passed SSC or any other equivalent examination recognized by the government of Telangana state and AP state and conducted in 2020 in first attempt. Candidate should not have completed 18 years of age as on 31/12/2020 and 21 years in case of student belonging to SC and ST categories. And international students shall be of Indian nationality and persons of Indian origin and overseas citizens of India card holders. Okay, these are the eligibility conditions. And next, rules of reservation. Already in earlier videos, I already made one video regarding these rules of reservation, that is same for this academic year also. Okay, so this is rules of reservation. This is same for 2019 notification. So 85% for local category, 15% of non-local category, and SC 15%, ST 60, BCA 7%, BCB 10%, BCC 1, BCD 7, like that. So and women reservation 33.33 reservation. So this reservation, complete reservation is same as compared to the 2019 notification. Just I already made one video regarding 2019 notification. Just you can check that video, right? I will give the link description below this video. Okay, and next selection method. Okay, so admissions will be based on merit in the grade point average and a grade obtained in each subject in 10th class, and as per the provisions of Presidential Order 1974, a deprivation score of 0.4 prescribed by the government under Statute 13 of 3 shall be added to the 10th class GPA of applicants from non-residential government schools including Jilla Parishad and municipal schools for selection, right? So with an objective of providing weightage to help the students from socially economically deprived sections of the society for admissions. Okay, one is important thing is 0.4 deprivation score. Okay, so deprivation score of 0.4, okay, which is added to the government school students without any residential accommodation, right? So this is one criteria. So by selecting the students into RJKT 6 years integrated admission program. And next, when it comes to this, this is 15% of the total, and 50% of the total seats are allocated for non-local category. So that thing mentioned here. Okay, and the selection criteria for the applicants passed out from the Board of Secondary Education Andhra Pradesh will be decided later as per the admission rules of RJKT Basara. This is important. Okay, so earlier we have because for AP students will not get any grade points for their 10th class results, right? So just they are qualified in their 10th class exam, but they won't allocate the grades to the students. Okay, that is the problem we are facing to conduct the admissions for 2020 academic year. So okay, so that's why this point is mentioned here, right? The selection criteria for the applicants passed out from the Board of Secondary Education Andhra Pradesh BSc AP will be decided later. Okay, so we won't remove the 15% reservation for those students, so we can decide later. Okay, as per the admissions rules of RJKT Basara, as BSc AP has announced the results without grades for its 10th class students who appeared for SSC exams in March or April 2020, right? So those 15% seats are decided later. Okay, because of so those people don't have any grades in their 10th results. That is the problem. Okay, that's why this admission procedure is delayed. Okay, and next, when comes to, okay, in case of tie in GPA score, it will be resolved by adopting the following options in that sequence: higher grade in mathematics, higher grade in general science, higher grade in English, social studies, first language, date of birth. And if date of birth also matched, then they will move to random number procedure. Okay, so for this information, okay, I already made a video regarding random number sequence, how you take that random number procedure, how you apply that random number procedure. Okay, for those things, I just you can check my video. I will provide the link description of below this video. Yes, you can go through that particular video. So just one example also here provided, like 250 in the first 5 digits of the hall ticket number, like that. So already I did explain this entire thing regarding regarding this random number procedure. Just once you go through that particular link. Okay, and next, just you can observe here for SSC and NIOS OSSC applicants, the random procedure is like this. Okay, and CBSE ICSE students is somewhat different. Like if the hall ticket consists 7 digits, hence the random number will be obtained as the remainder of 253 into first 3 digits. After that, that will be divided by the last 4 digits of the hall ticket number. When it comes to this SSC NIOS OSSC applicants, their hall ticket number consists 10 digits. Okay, first 5 digits is multiplied with 253. After that, that can be divided into 5 digits of the hall ticket number. Okay, so once you check this particular things. Okay, and next, and intimation to selected candidates. So the list of candidates selected for counseling will be displayed on the university website. Anyway, I will make one video on that particular selection list also. I will inform through my YouTube channel. So the candidates will also be informed by post and email and SMS message wherever possible to the address and mobile number written in the application form. Okay, that next counseling session, the candidates selected for counseling shall report in person at RJKT. So this is mandatory. Okay, so after completing all formalities, they will provide a list to they will provide the list of selected candidates. Okay, so after you got the selection, okay, you have to attend the counseling at RJKT. Okay, and the candidate selected for counseling shall report in person at RJKT Basar Nirmal district in Telangana state for verification of original certificates, documents and details provided in the application form. Okay, so you should collect all your documents. Okay, so income, caste and each and every certificate you have to produce at this counseling session. So first of all, you can collect your documents. Okay, so and counseling and selection for admission in respect of candidates belonging to the special category like physically handicapped and children of armed personnel, CAP and NCC, and sports will be conducted at RJKT Basar, right? So this is courses offered in 6-year integrated BTech program. Like first 2 years pre-university course, it's like intermediate. Okay, so MPC courses will be offered with following subjects. So here only we have MPC course only: mathematics, physics, chemistry, English, Telugu and Sanskrit. Sanskrit will be offered for non-Telugu students, so those who have not studied a second language as Telugu. These are the pre-university course subjects. And when it comes to next 4 years, that is BTech 4 years, following streams will be offered: chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, metallurgical and materials engineering, mechanical engineering. These are the 7 groups which are offered in the BTech undergraduate program, and this is a pre-university course, that is the MPC, which is common for all 1500 students. Okay, and these are the subjects. Okay, and this is fee particulars. Okay, that is a 37,000 per annum. Okay, and it includes 500 rupees of examination fee per semester, right? So already earlier I discussed this entire thing, okay, in 2019 notification. Just I will give the link description below, just you go through that particular thing, okay, regarding this annual fee explanation. Okay, and next coming to admissions of students from other states and international students. For all these global category seats also, I already explained in that particular 2019 notification video. Those things are same, they won't be changed. Even fee also 2% supernumerary seats are also available for international and NRI students. The tuition fee for those people are 3,01,000 per annum. Okay, just you go through that particular 2019 notification, and next these are the helpline numbers and email address. Okay, if you have any doubts and if any queries, okay, just you can contact this mobile number, and just you can go through mail ID also. Okay, so these are the particular things. Okay, if you want to contact to RJKT, so you can go for these two things. And timings important, 9:30 AM to 5:30 PM, all working days, okay, except Sunday. Okay, right. 14.0, so annexure 1, so letter from the Telangana government rules of reservation, study certificate in support of local status, a residence certificate in support of local status, and a certificate in support of non-local status, community nativity and date of birth certificate, medical certificate in respect of physically handicapped candidates, and for candidates claiming reservation under CAP category, Central Armed Police Forces, and priorities for NCC and sports and games. Okay, so if you these certificates are very important. Suppose if the student having physically disabled, that the person should be produced this physically handicapped certificate. Okay, so and community nativity date of birth is mandatory for all the students. Okay, certificate in support of non-local. If the person is non-local, you should produce non-local certificate. Okay, if the person is local, so you should produce local certificate, that means resident certificate, right? So like this they are providing certain certificates here, so you should provide these certificates to the RJKT, right? And next, so this is regarding RJKT 2020 notification, admission notification. Okay, so I already made certain videos regarding this IIIT admission. Okay, so just you can go through my YouTube channel, and just you can open playlist. In that playlist you can click on IIIT Basra folder, IIIT Basra folder, so you can get all IIIT related information from that playlist. Okay, so otherwise I will provide links related to admissions that I will provide below of this video. Just you can check that videos also. Okay, especially random number procedure and 2019-20 almost all same, just 1 or 2 points are extra added in this 2020 notification. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this information to your friends. Okay, thank you.